Hi, what's up? Today I will talk about the new Note 20 Ultra and the Watch 3, and also which Samsung should you get, the S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, or the Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra. Let us begin. I just got the Note 20 Ultra and the Watch 3, and this is not a sponsor, and I purchased those. The Note 20 Ultra, I got it because the S8 Plus I have is like the battery has problem. Always it will shut down my phone suddenly, like 3-4 times a day, so I need to change the phone. And then since they have the promotion, I get the phone, they give me the credit on the Watch 3 or other accessories, so I choose the watch. So this is not a sponsor. And today I want to show you the unboxing for both items, and then give you some idea like on both of them, and then after what I think after use for only few days. Like the watch I used like a little bit longer, and I got two sets, like because mine is like the battery has problem on my old phone. My wife is like the camera has problem, like she cannot selfie or take picture on the kid. Always need to use my phone, so it's time for both phones to upgrade. So not sponsored, so you will see some picture on the other color on the watch and then the phone. That is like what she like, and then what I got is like, let's see. So it will be the S20 Ultra black color one. So this will be the phone, and then you want like here will be the you will see the black color, and then the now they say the gold brown color. Another color they have, this is like both of them. And then the new phone has like the camera, and is this one better or the S20? And then how is it, I will tell you a little bit more later. So let me finish the unboxing first. So this will be the phone. You will get the phone, and then you got the manual those in here. This is for the manual. And then what you will get is the charger. So I know some other version like in Taiwan also like they will like come with some accessory, but like in USA version you won't. You will just only get the phone and then the charger and then the wire. So this time the charger is like type C to type C, so you need to make sure you don't use the old charger or anything. So this is the type C to type C, and then the wire, and that's it. That is what they have like come with the box. And then this is the Samsung pen. So this one I didn't install yet. The one I do it is like my wife, that one. So she had more time to do it. So this will be the second one, will be the Watch 3. So you know, watch my unboxing, you know I don't give like the spec and then like all those. So those is not what I want to show you. I want to show you like it's the end user level. So what I do, and then how I use it, and give you the experience of mine, so you can see some different point of view. It's not only all the spec. Those you can go to the Samsung website, they have all detail. So now this will be the watch, and then like the color will be like this. You can see on the picture they have the color for the silver, and then another one is same as the Note 20 that color. So and this time the Watch 3, if you ask me, is that better than the previous one? I will say not much different. Like they said it's like a little bit thinner, but I can tell you like before my wife is using that one watch she has is different, and then now this one compared to other brands almost double the size. So even though they are thinner than the previous version a little bit, but they still, if you see the sizes, like they still kind of thick. And then if a girl use it, the size they get the 41 millimeter one, so the 41 is okay, like but the thickness, they might need a little bit time to get used to it. And then they come with the leather waistband, and I will change back to the one I used before. I like the metal better than leather, because like for my work I will get swelling, like my hand is got all wet all the time. I need to wash handles. Like if the leather one, probably 1 month I will break it, so I will switch it. And this is like nowadays they are really easy to change it. Like my previous watch, smartwatch, they are like, it's only remove it and then like the whole thing will come out, and then you can change wherever you want. Just like when you purchase it, make sure the size is the one with you. If your watch is like 41, so you get the 41 size. Don't get the 42, 45 or like 40. They might not fit. Then now let us talk about the phone. So this time why I choose the Note 20 Ultra instead of like S20 Plus, S20 or S20 Ultra, or like even Note 20. Like you can see, like why I get this one is depend how you use, what is the purpose you use the phone. If today you want to regular use, like take a little bit picture or video, or you are not even do it, like not often to take picture, or you probably use the phone to go online, go web, watch video, and then play game, that's all, then I will tell you probably S20, S20 Plus or Note 20 may be enough. Note 20 Ultra is okay too, but not really need to go to S20 Ultra. That one may not need to be. If you might take picture, like my wife is like take picture for the kid, video on the kid, then you may want to get the S20 Plus or the Note 20 Ultra. Why I say that is like, if you take picture, you post it on probably say Facebook, Instagram, those. I'm not saying take video on YouTube, it's only take picture. You post it on the social media and then you try to take picture of those. Probably I will say Note 20 Ultra is the best. The reason is that S Pen. The pen they have in this version, they can edit the picture more easy and then more sensitive, recognize the word you have. Let's say now today you take a picture and you try to post it on Instagram, and you can already edit everything. You don't need to like if you get the S20 Plus, let's say that you probably need to you use your finger to do it, probably may not be sensitive enough or not as good as you use a pen. Also, probably you need to have another program or the app to help to edit it. If you get the Note 20 Ultra, then you don't need to. Why I say Note 20 Ultra, not Note 20? The reason is Note 20 Ultra performance and then like the memory size, all those is better. Good for the parent, or like if you want to take pictures for your kid. If you want to take video, not often edit picture on the phone or not use the pen often, then I will say, let's say if today you only do YouTube, you are a YouTuber, or you only take video, you won't edit it, you won't post it, you won't like list on social media, then I will recommend S20 Plus is better. Since now like that is a little bit longer time than the Note 20 Ultra, so the price will be dropping, so it will be a good deal to get that one. And since you don't need the pen, like they are really similar, but why I don't recommend the S20 Ultra, that is because like they still have a little bit problem on the S20 Ultra. I will not really recommend if you want to take picture wherever those. If you want to, let's say regular use, you probably maybe want to take some picture. Let's say you go to party, you go to your family a birthday party, or you just sometime you want to watch the video, and then you can get the S20 or the Note 20. If you may want to probably sometime mark down some thing on your calendar, or you want to take some notes sometime, probably let's say today I want to go to grocery store. I need a list for what I need to buy. Then probably you can think about Note 20. And since you don't really take picture often, you don't take video often, and that should be good enough for you. And if you don't really install that many apps, that is the difference on it. And if you ask me, so at least right here is that if you only social media, you can choose Note 20, and then Note 20 Ultra. And if you focus, you want to edit the picture on to post on the social media, then probably Note 20 Ultra is the best. I will recommend. Take the picture, those all private, you don't post and share anything. S20 Plus or Note 20, all those will be fine. They are pretty much the same. And if you say I never used Note series before, I always get the Galaxy S series, then is that good to use the Note? Mostly they are similar, but I always choose the Note, even though my last is S8 Plus, but because the Note 8 has problems, so I got the S8 Plus. Otherwise, before that, I have a Note 4, Note 6, all those Note series. I feel Note series is more stable on the phone. No matter on when you install the app, you watch video, everything is really stable. Even now, the Note 20 Ultra is stable. And since you know I'm doing YouTube now, and then I post on Instagram, Facebook, and then I do it on Twitter now. So I always try to edit on the some short video or on the picture, want to write something. So that is the main reason why I want to get all in one. So I choose the Note 20 Ultra. I use for one day, and I feel that is much better than the S20 Plus. I did not own it, but I did try to use it for a little bit and to see how it is. They are pretty good already, but that one, same as my S8 Plus, I'm not saying they're not good, but if I need to do that many things, I need to take video or sometimes take picture and then editing, and then I'm a businessman, I need to my calendar is all full, always need to mark down the notes. Even S20 Plus, those I need to have for the phone one is not real, that is for the phone, the touchscreen one. I need to bring the extra pen with me all the time, but the note is in the phone. That way it's much easier for me to always write down what I need to do or what I need to purchase, or remind myself. Anything I can just write. And then this version, the Note 20 Ultra, even my handwriting, they can recognize it and change it to the type word version. So in my calendar, that's really good. If for a businessman, I would say that one is good. So I always write down what I need, and then you change back, and then I type in version and on my calendar, on my notes, or even email or anything. So it will help me and make me faster to use it. If you ask me which one is good, I will tell you what is the purpose you want. If you like my video, give me a like, subscribe my channel for my Instagram and Facebook. So and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. So I hope to see you next week. See you soon.